In this video, I'll show you how to load some paper inside of your Canon Pixma TS3420. The first step is to locate this small trap over here on the top of the printer, and you need to put it up. You just need to swing it this way. You'll notice that there is a blue piece over here. You need to push it all the way to the left side. You can use your finger and just push it this way. If you want to print on smaller paper, you'll be able to slide it on the right side, and depending how large is your paper, you'll need to adjust it. But this time we're just printing on a normal piece of paper, so we just need to push it this way. The next step is to take your stack of paper, if you have many, align them, and then you're gonna glide it this way and let it go. I just want to show you a close-up here. So you're gonna take it and the paper needs to go through this blue retainer here, like this. And you can push it till you feel a resistance. So this is how you load paper inside of your Canon Pixma TS3420. It's very easy, and as I said, you can print on smaller paper, not necessarily this big. So thanks for watching. If this video was useful, please leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel.